Hey guys, good morning. Couple of new info for important dates on NIO that I wanted to share with you guys. You guys can actually see right here. If you guys want the full video, it's probably gonna be on my YouTube. I think this might actually get cut off because I can only make minute videos on TikTok. So, for November 2nd, the expected delivery dates for all the cars of NIO are gonna be released. November 3rd is the election. Like I said, it doesn't really affect NIO, I think, because it's everything else is tanking right now, and Alibaba and NIO aren't affected that much. If anything, they've risen. You can see Alibaba too. They've gone up in price. Like the election isn't really messing too much with the prices because they're Chinese, right? They're China. Any news from America is not really going to affect these companies all that much. Also, on November 10th, which is the third quarter earnings report, we'll get info on the EC6 backlog, the production increase, the Europe plan, the battery increase, and the Shanghai government deal, the navigation on the pilot updates, and also the BAS's numbers, and we'll see if we're actually closer to profitability for NIO. On December 1st, or really, what is it for modular numbers? January 9th is NIO Day, and they're more than likely going to be releasing a new sedan, the FSD Progress, maybe a robo-taxi, a better battery, production increase, and they're going to be giving new guidance, so a new market plan for 2021, which is actually the pretty exciting part. And I do think that depending on that guidance that they do release next year on the 9th, that would probably make NIO shoot up even longer, or even more. So I do think that by the end of 2021, we are currently sitting at around $30 for NIO. My price target for the end of 2021 for NIO is gonna be like $100 or possibly even more. I do think that we can see NIO rally like Tesla did from late 2019 to now. So I do think NIO has that potential to rally next year, which is absolutely phenomenal.